Hi, what's up guys, welcome to 5-Minute Health. In this video I will talk about the benefits of running in the cold weather. Outdoor exercise, including running outside in the winter, can be good for you in a number of ways. It provides opportunities to boost your vitamin D exposure. It can also help you get some of the physical activity that your doctor and other experts are always encouraging everyone to get on a regular basis. If you are new, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you. I will come to benefits, but first you need some basic knowledge of how you'll want to approach running in winter with safety in mind. Here are some tips to keep you safe and warm. Tips for running in cold weather. Don't just tie the laces on your running shoes, jam a hat on your head, and head outside. Take some time to prepare in advance of your winter runs. Check the weather forecast. Find out how cold it really is, as well as whether any rain or snow are likely, which could affect the safety status of your running path. Dress appropriately. Start slowly. Wear something reflective. Stay hydrated. You might not remember to drink fluids as often as you would in the hot summer months, but your body still needs water. Warm up and cool down. Give your body some time to adjust on both ends of your run. Stop if something goes wrong. If your chest starts to hurt, you feel lightheaded, or you worry that you might have pulled a muscle in your leg, don't keep pushing forward. Head inside and call a doctor if you're concerned. What are the benefits of running in cold weather? While there may be some risks associated with running in cold weather, there are certainly some benefits, too. 6. Increases your aerobic activity. A major benefit of running in cold weather is that you're getting some aerobic exercise. Adults need an average of 150 minutes of moderately intense aerobic activity or 75 minutes of more vigorous exercise each week, according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC). A couple of brisk runs outside could easily help you achieve those goals. 5. It might help you burn more fat. What? How? Chilly temperatures can turn unhealthy fat into another form of fat that actually burns calories. Think of it this way: the body's fat is not comparable. In between are white, brown, and shades. When we think of excess body fat, white fat is what we usually think of. Brown fat is a calorie-burning metabolic organ, and there is a growing body of scientific literature indicating that our white fat is turned into brown by exercising and exposing our bodies to cold weather. More on the science of muscle building and losing fat here, which means running in cold weather can not only help you burn calories, it can change the makeup of your body. 4. Cold is actually the ideal weather for running. Believe it or not, the perfect environment for your run is actually cold weather, says Tom Holland, an exercise physiologist, coach of athletic success, and author of The Marathon Process. The colder the weather, the less heat stress on the body, which makes it significantly easier to run, explains Holland. There is a reason why most marathons are held in October and November. Running in hot and humid weather is highly taxing on the body. 3. Running is a great tool for preventing winter weight gain. It's a challenge in itself to get to the gym, especially during the winter months, and a treadmill at home can get boring, which is why we love to run in cold weather. It's complementary, comfortable, and never boring. We tend to move less and eat more in the colder months, Holland says. Running burns significant calories and is therefore a powerful tool in maintaining and even losing weight during winter. 2. Running can help stop you from feeling quite so sad. Many people suffer from seasonal affect disorder, SAD, when the days get shorter and the temperature drops, Holland says. Running helps release powerful hormones that help combat this depression, increasing positive mood states during the cold weather months. And taking your run outside helps improve your mood even more, one study published in the journal Environmental Science and Technology. 1. Running will keep your metabolism going strong. Our bodies are designed to conserve our fat stores in the winter. If you believe in evolutionary theory, slowing down our metabolisms in direct response to our decreased exercise levels. Our bodies are programmed to preserve our fat stores in the winter, slowing down our metabolisms in direct response to our decreased exercise levels. Running in the cold helps to trick the body, stopping the metabolism from slowing down seasonally, and helping to maintain a healthy weight. So guys, this was the video about the benefits of running in the cold. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks you.